before cupcakes took over, butterfly cakes were the start of birthdays, bake sales and family parties across the UK with soft sponge, sweet icing and their iconic little wings. They were loved for generations. Today we're bringing them back. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to make classic butterfly cakes from scratch. These are the ingredients you will need. You will need to preheat the oven to 180 Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit or gas mark 4. In a mixing bowl, you want to add your margarine. Then add your caster sugar. Now, using a hand whisk, we are going to cream the sugar and margarine together. And you want it looking like this, so it's gone a lot paler in colour. Okay, now we're going to add one of the eggs. Now give it another mix. Okay, this is looking good, so now it's time to add the rest of the egg. And now give it another mix. The reason we're adding one egg at a time, it is basically to stop it curdling. Okay, this is looking good. Give the bowl a quick scrape down. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now give it a good mix. Now add your flour and using the spoon, gently fold into the flour into the mixture. You want it looking like this. So I've already got a muffin tray already prepared with the cupcake cases. Now using a 1 tablespoon measuring cup, start filling up the cupcakes. Now put these in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, my cupcakes are done. And here they are, looking lovely. Now let these cool down. Now we have to do the icing. In a mixing bowl, add room temperature unsalted butter. Now using the sieve, we want to sieve the icing sugar, breaking down any lumps. You can also use a wooden spoon to push the icing sugar through. Using a hand whisk, give it a good mix. Now add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and then give it a good mix. You want it looking like this, nice and fluffy. Okay, the cakes have cooled down and using a sharp knife, you want to cut the tops off. So you don't want to go too deep. So basically like that. Now you need to put the icing into a piping bag. Now you want to pipe out the icing around about like that. Okay, all the icing's done, and now all we got to do is cut the tops in half and then just place them onto the cake like this. Now, using the sieve, all you need to do now is put a little bit of icing sugar on top of your cakes. So there you go, guys. That is how you make butterfly cakes. So I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.